প্রেম একবার এসেছিল নীরবে আমারি দুয়ার প্রান্তে, সে তো ভাই মৃদু পায় এসেছিল, পারিনি তো জানতে। প্রেম একবার এসেছিল নীরবে আমারি দুয়ার প্রান্তে, সে তো হয় মৃদু পায় এসেছিল, পারিনি তো জানতে। প্রেম একবার এসেছিল নীরবে। Hi friends, this is Shahid Islam and you are watching my YouTube channel Choice for English. Friends, I hope and believe that you are all well. Alhamdulillah, I am also well by the grace of Allah. Friends, you know that I have been trying to make video every day so that we can improve our English speaking. And you also know that though I have been making video to improve our English speaking, but I'm also making mistakes, but I am mentally prepared to improve myself through making mistake. Friends, before going to the main topics, I'm requesting all of you to like, share and make valuable comments so that, and press the bell icon so that you can get the video first. Friends, you have already understand to watch the thumbnail today. Actually, I have told you once again my previous videos that, and it is not possible to explain in words the importance, the essential of learning English. And you know better than me, and you are the most talented, qualified, educated person, knowledgeable. I just try to share you my personal opinion, though I know nothing of English, but I'm learnings, and I know that YouTube channel is the best platform to make video. First of all, I want to improve my English speaking. However, friends, you also know that around the globe, millions of people earning huge amount of money in home and abroad to deliver their both lecture and written skills. But today's topic is how we can earn huge amount of money just to write English articles in the website. Friends, first we have to try analyze what is website. Actually, website is a space, and who knows about the internet technology, he has the best knowledge about it. Just I'm giving an example. Say you want to know anything, how you can earn, how you can improve. Then means when we face any kinds of problems, when we want to know anything, then we try to search both YouTube or Google. And after searching, after a few minutes, we get many written. This are called the website. If we search in Google, these are called written article, and YouTube videos are called oral article. Okay, and blog writing content is any article, any topics in your website. If you have a website, you can practice to write English, both English and Bengali language, especially in English language. And after practicing to write every day, gradually, practicing day by day, if you are able to write fluently any topics, any matter in the website, after gradually writing, one day your writings will be valuable when your articles will be 2000, not only 10,000s, 20,000s, 15,000 words article, and it would be most valuable to the audience. And these articles one day will be the way to earn your huge amount of money. And blog writing is the best criteria. Your experience is being improved day by day, and your criteria, your natural experience is being growing. And by writing an English article, you are being an expert, talented person to improve your speaking skills. When you try to make video in YouTube and you're also trying to write any articles in English, such as politics, environment, going on events around the world, history, psychology, etc., what topics you like. And this kind of experience is very helpful to earn your huge amount of money. So friends, I will not waste a valuable time. Actually, by writing standard, professional, and a bigger article, blog writing, you can earn huge amount of money. I have been also trying to write article in my personal website, and I am requesting all of you to pray for me so that I can be a successful person to write blog in my blog writing. Okay, because I think that after, though I am making mistakes, but I think that after practicing gradually, my written and speaking will be improved. As number one, I'm trying to speaking to on YouTube channel to improve my English speaking skills, and second, I've been trying to write my English articles in any of the different topics in my website, and these are the platform to improve my both written and speaking skills. And I'm also requesting all of you, please, if you are mentally prepared to earn huge amount of money to sit in your home, please start your experience to write blog in your website in English. Not only English, but also you can earn huge amount of money to blog in your website in Bengali language. But I think that English is the most demandable and the richest language. So if you are by practicing, if you are able to improve your writing skills in your website, your you will be one day you will be able to earn huge amount of money to sit in your home, because this is the best platform, and especially the young generations are being very interested, enthusiastic to earn to write in blog in English language. Okay, friends. However, friends, I will not waste available time. If you think that this video is very important and helpful for you, then I have request to like, share, and make available comments so that I can also improve to make video more and more. And wishing you a healthy and comfortable life. See you tomorrow with the new video. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.